Okay, how to check your oil on your motorbike or change your motorbike oil or top your motorbike oil up. It's just a simple step. You don't need a bike jack or anything like that. This is like the old school style. All you need to do, make sure your bike is straight up forward. So all you need is like 2 pieces of board. If you don't have a jack back, this is like if you don't have a bike jack. So this is like the old school way. Yeah. So you get 2 pieces of board, one here and one there, where you know the bike. Yeah. So then you adjust this bit to where you want it. Yeah, make the bike straight. Yes, I think the bike is now straight right there. So it comes back around here now. And this is where you're gonna pour the oil in. And as you can see, there's a little glass compartment there where you check the oil. So as you can see, this is the lower lever. The oil not supposed to go down behind there, so it means it needs topping up. This is the higher lever. This is the full mark where you that's your full lever. So as you can see, the oil is even below. It's even below the low mark. Yeah, so you're gonna need to top up that. I don't really need a oil change right now, so I'm just gonna top up that in the meantime. So you're gonna need to get this open. Yeah, I'll be right back. Yes, so you just need to get a pliers and open your mount. Once you have these, you're gonna need a funnel. As you can see your oil, then you just place the funnel there. You wanna be behind where you can see what's going on, and you pour it bit by bit. As you pour, you watch the oil going down. Don't pour too much at once. So you want to see where the measurement lies. Yeah, this is how you top up your oil. Instead of spending all that money going to the garage and all that. Or you don't have a bike stand. Yeah, this is much like it. Yeah. And there you go, it's almost right there. So remember, you need to make sure your bike is warm. So you start up your bike, let it run for a little while, then you shut it off. Keep your bike straight upwards and stay there for like 2 minutes. Then you pour your oil in, and there you go, all done. Top. ready to go. Yeah, just use the pliers again and put back a look of tension on it. There you go. Then you check your oil lever again. So as you can see, still on a straight forward, and the oil is right where you need it. Right there at the full marking. And you just come back around and you just tilt your bike and remove, and there you go. Simple, easy does it. And yeah, start your bike. I'm all good to go. Yeah, and that's how you do a oil change on your motorbike. That's the cheapest way you can ever get it done. No garage. At the moment I'm just in my little garage, and topping up my oil. So no need to go to the garage. You can do it yourself. No need to have a bike stand. There's many ways of saving money. So that's how you do it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg you, subscribe. If you don't like me, still subscribe. There's many more to come. Thank you. From me to you. From me in the UK to you wherever you are. Out. Peace.